Are you making a game in Unreal, Unity or even Godot and your environment still look a bit default? Let me fix that for like the price of a coffee. Humble Bundle and Leartes Studio just dropped the Black Friday Mega Game Dev Bundle. It's a massive pack of almost 100 game dev assets and asset packs for Unreal, Unity and Godot. You get ready-made environments, props, nature packs, tools, visual effects, sound effects, basically everything you need to stop using gray boxes and start building actual worlds. We're talking like stylized house interiors for Unreal, Unity and Godot, a drivable classical cars for Unreal, visual effects, dust packs, footstep sound effects, and even handy tools like an object distribution plugin and rocket plugin for Unreal. It's a pay what you want humble bundle. For about $1 you already unlock bunch of assets, for 15 you get even more, and for around 30 bucks you unlock the entire bundle, nearly 100 packs. If you bought this stuff separately it will be insanely more expensive because just one bundle pack costs $200 if you buy it separately. Hit the link in the description below, grab the Leartes Black Friday Mega Game Dev Bundle and upgrade your game from prototype to this actually looks legit. If you pick it up, tell me in the comments section what you're building with it. So let's review quickly the bundle. Here is the price tag that you can, pay. If you go up to $1 or €1, you can get 9 items. If we go up to 15, you can get 23 items, and for 31 you can get the entire 97 items bundle. And this doesn't even make sense because I previously make videos of sales and bundles from Leartes, but right now they're selling 97 item bundles for just 30 bucks. If we can go here, this is like 400 bucks if you go to the Fab store and want to purchase it, and just see the quality of that asset. Just see the quality. Like actually, like they selling this for like 30 bucks. You get this cyberpunk mega pack, you get this castle, you get this jungle. If we go here, you can see the quality. Like if you're developing a game and you need assets, like right now is the time to buy it because the quality is really really good, and you can use this across all of your games. And if we scroll all the way down, Chinese lakes, you see here we have this Yellow Parrot restaurant showcase environment. We have this space base. We have also the same environments for Unity engine. Here we have tutorials for Substance Painter. We have tutorials for Unreal Engine, for Photoshop and Blender, for ZBrush. I never seen so far such a huge deal. Like all those assets for 30 bucks. So I'm going to buy it for myself. Later on, maybe somewhere in the future, I'm gonna develop a game that will need those assets. Those assets will stay in my library and I can use them whenever I want across my projects. So don't hesitate, guys. This is a limited time offer. Go and take the offer for 30 bucks. It's not that expensive for what you will get. Thank you guys for watching this one. See ya in my next video.